Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy step by step. Begin by thoroughly understanding the learning objectives for each anatomical region you encounter. It's crucial to utilize a diverse combination of resources, including your primary textbook, a detailed anatomical atlas, and various online platforms. Make sure to actively participate in all dissection labs and practical sessions, as hands-on experience is invaluable. Finally, establish a consistent review schedule to reinforce your understanding and ensure long-term retention of the vast amount of information. Drawing diagrams from memory for about 15 to 20 minutes daily can significantly boost your recall. Create flashcards for key anatomical terms and their relationships, perhaps aiming for 50 new cards each week. Forming small study groups of 3 or 4 people allows for collaborative learning and quizzing. Regularly practice identifying structures on models and cadavers, spending at least 2 hours per week in the lab to solidify your practical knowledge. To maximize your learning, consult a comprehensive primary anatomy textbook for in-depth explanations and foundational knowledge. Always pair this with a high-quality anatomical atlas, which provides essential visual references for complex structures. Additionally, explore online platforms that offer interactive quizzes and three-dimensional models, enhancing your spatial understanding. Make sure to attend all lectures and review session recordings, as these often highlight key concepts and provide valuable insights from instructors. To truly consolidate your knowledge, integrate anatomical facts with relevant clinical correlations whenever possible. Regularly test yourself using practice questions and past exams to identify areas needing more attention, aiming for at least 100 questions weekly. A highly effective method is to teach concepts to others, as explaining material reinforces your own understanding. Finally, allocate dedicated time, perhaps 2 to 3 hours, for a comprehensive weekly review of all topics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.